Make a great choice today with 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, air conditioning, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.